Hey, what's going on everyone? In this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can fix the issues of apps that are not downloading onto your iPhone device. So there's actually a few different methods or steps that you can take to try and fix this issue. So I'm going to work in order from the most successful down to the ones that are known to work, but they are not as successful. So you can work your way through this order. So the first thing that I recommend you to do is to first just restart your iPhone, just like you would restart a computer or a TV if you're kind of encountering any glitches. So for iPhone 10 and above, all you have to do to reset is press the volume up, volume down, and then the power button. So I'm going to go and do that now. So I can go up, down, power button. And now this will give me the option to restart or kind of just turn off my iPhone and then turn it off again. So I'm not going to do that for this video, as I'll go and show you the other steps. But if you do follow this particular step, in 90% of cases, this will allow you to kind of start re-downloading apps again, just because there might be a temporary glitch with your kind of 4G or Wi-Fi settings. So in most cases, this will remove that. So the next thing you can do is just go into the settings and make sure everything is set up correctly. So I'm just going to go and open my settings app. Now, the first thing that I recommend you to do is go down to the App Store, which is just here, tap into there. Now, in here we have app downloads. So if the application you're downloading is over 200 megabytes and you're connected to 3, 4G or 5G, it actually won't allow you to download it if it's over 200 megabytes. So if you do want to allow to download it on kind of the roaming connection, you can just go always ask or always allow, and that will now allow you to download the application. And another thing you can try is to go to network settings and reset that. So that's very easily done by just pulling all the way down, and we can just go and search for that just because it's much quicker. So now I'll go and search for network, and I'll go to reset network settings. And then from here, I can just go and reset. So this will reset my Wi-Fi connection. So I will have to go and log into my Wi-Fi again. But if you are having kind of any glitches across your Wi-Fi network, then this will help you to kind of restart downloading those apps. Now, after you've tried that, we can then go into the iCloud account. So for whatever reason, if your apps are still not downloading, it actually might be an issue that you're encountering with your iCloud account on your iPhone. So if this is the case, pretty much all you have to do is sign out and then sign back in. And alternatively, if that's still not working, then you can also try and create a new iCloud account, or maybe borrow a friend or family's member account to see whether or not it's your account that's the issue, or maybe it's your actual device. Now, the next thing we can try is then go down to screen time. Right here, tap into that. Now, if I come down to content and privacy restrictions, we also have a few settings in here that we can adjust as well. So if I have content and privacy restrictions enabled, this will allow some restrictions for certain types of applications that will not be able to be opened or downloaded. So if I go to content restrictions, for whatever reason, if this was set up, this will kind of block particular apps that might be explicit or kind of along those lines that will not be kind of able to be downloaded to your iPhone device. So if any of these are set to off, that means you will not be able to download those. And then you can also select clean and explicit. But in most cases, if it's set to off and you're trying to download an application from that particular category, then it may not allow you to download it. And alternatively, I can also go back and then go to allowed apps. And I just want to ensure that all of these things are enabled as well for the applications. So if all those things still haven't worked, the last thing that I recommend you to try is to actually go and restart or reset your Wi-Fi router if that's the internet connection that you're currently connected to. In some cases, your iPhone and your iCloud account may be set up correctly, but it might actually be an issue from the internet side. So if you just restart your Wi-Fi router, then hopefully that might be the last thing that fixes the issue, and then you can start resuming to download apps on your iPhone device. So there was various steps in this video, but hopefully one of them fixed this issue for you. If it did, please hit that like button. And as always, thanks for watching. I'll see you all in the next one.